Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me today, guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a challenge. If you're on makeup TikTok, you know you've been seeing all the trends about like, will it blend? Everyone's drawing all these little squares on their faces and lines and all these little dots, and it's probably taking way too much time than actually just putting regular makeup on, but it's a fun challenge. So yeah, we're gonna do the will it blend trend. Before this challenge, you have to use cream products. If not, it's just gonna be a fail right off the bat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by drawing everything on the face. We'll do a time lapse of that, and then we'll see, will it blend? I'm not exactly sure who started this trend, but I see a lot of people doing it. I personally found it from this girl here on TikTok. I'll put her up here and I'll put her link below too. For this challenge, basically, I'm just gonna be using everything cream. So I have my cream contour palette, which we're gonna use. Then I'm also gonna just use my regular foundation and a cream blush as well. From the photo, she has a whole bunch of squares on her face, so I'm trying to think of the easiest and the quickest way to do this. Check the time and see how long this is gonna take. Okay, so I'm starting at 11:20. So when I'm finished all of this, I will tell you the time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start to make my little squares and go the other way. This is actually really relaxing. You know what? I'm having flashbacks to my pinhead look because this was exactly the process of lining everything out. I think the easiest way, I just have a flat brush, which is kind of the same size as these squares. Look at that, it like turned out perfect. So I'm just gonna take the makeup and then just plop it right in the squares. So I'm gonna start with a darker color first. And I'm gonna get all the contour in like my normal places. "15 minutes later, not as bad as I thought. I honestly thought this was gonna take me like an hour, so I don't know if either I just went really quick or if everyone else was really slow. I don't know. But anyways, in the video, the girl and everybody else is always blending it out with a brush, so that's what we're gonna do. But they do go ahead and spray their face or the brush. I forget either one, but I'm gonna do both. Because once the cream product's set, they obviously get dry, so you need something to kind of like activate it to get it back to life so it will blend. So I just have the NYX Dewy Spray. Gonna spray that good and gonna spray the brush. I'm ready, are you ready? So let me know in the comments, what do you think? Right now, is this gonna blend out? You know what, I think it is. I have hopes in it. It's blending. It's blending out really nice. Okay, I do have to say, you have to keep spraying your brush for this though. Like if you didn't spray it, I don't think it would be blending. Okay, a little patchy going on, still need to blend more. It is looking pretty good, it is working well. There's the difference. It did blend out really well. Like it does match my skin complexion actually pretty flawlessly, but you can see how it's like not fully blended. It's kind of patchy here, and I have, well, this side's okay, but I have sprayed it a lot and I just don't think that wants to go away. So anyways, if you are wondering, yes, this blend trend does work. It is a thumbs up. Is it practical? No. Is it a waste of time? Yes. You know what? It actually didn't even take me that long. It's only 12 o'clock now. So altogether, this has taken me like 30 minutes to put it on and blend it all out. Okay, so I'm just back with my regular makeup here. So I just put on my powder, my eyebrows, all that jazz. Took me just a few little minutes there. And that is it, guys. So I hope you had fun with this little will it blend trend. I had fun with it. And like always, guys, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget to like this video if you did like it, of course. Leave a comment. And you can also subscribe to my channel. You can hit the little notification bell if you want, so you can be notified every time I post, which is every Sunday. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.